Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today, let's go for a drive in this 2024 Honda Pilot TrailSport. This vehicle has 285 horsepower with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. The Pilot TrailSport is one of the higher trims of the new Pilot, of the current generation Pilot, along with the Honda Pilot Elite. It's pretty cool. It's like the off-roady version. You have TrailSport on the headrest, orange contrast stitching. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Heated steering wheel. You also have heated seats, which is nice, but no ventilated seats. You have a partial digital gauge cluster with the screen. Sport, normal, Econ, Snow, Trail, Sands, Tow are the modes on this car. You also have a heated windshield. Cool steering wheel. I like the orange contrast stitching. It looks nice. And you also have the hill descent control. Let's walk around this Pilot TrailSport. So you get like traction, terrain, contact, Continental traction plus tires on this vehicle. This is also like the blue exterior that's exclusive to the Pilot, to the TrailSport. I like the front end, it looks cool. It's a pretty aggressive looking SUV. I really like the way the Pilot TrailSport looks. And I like this blue color. You have captain's chairs back here. Pretty cool. And you also have a wall outlet for there to charge your devices, which is nice. You have cup holders in the doors. All-wheel drive badge on the back. Black Pilot badge. You do not have exposed exhausts. You do get exposed exhausts on the Elite though. I wish this had the exposed exhausts. And also if you hit this little camera button on the side, it'll display the camera, but I think you have to be stopped for that. Let's actually look at that camera real quick. Yeah, you have a 360 view, which is cool. And then if you hit this, and you're trying to go into a parking spot, if you're in a drive-thru or something, you can do that. You also have the side view, which is kind of nice, because on an MDX, in order to get that camera, you need to get an Advance or A-Spec Advance. So it's cool that the Pilot TrailSport comes equipped with that. Always love the sound of that 3.5-liter V6 in Hondas and Acuras. Sounds amazing. Good acceleration, and also you have a wireless charging tray. You can see my phone charging in that. But if you go kind of fast, your phone is going to fly right out. But yeah, the acceleration is pretty good actually. Yeah, good acceleration. Engine sounds really good. Transmission's responsive. And you can hear the V6 way more in the Pilot than you can in the MDX, which I wish the MDX had, but there's more noise deadening on the MDX. Like, I have a video on the 2024 Pilot EXL, and I made the same comment. You can hear the V6 so much better in this car than the MDX, because I love the way this V6 sounds. I can listen to it all day. It's a classic Honda engine. Lasts forever if you take care of it. Sounds amazing. Ride is pretty good actually. Put your foot down, it'll give you ample acceleration. good responsiveness. It's a great, this 10-speed transmission is really nice. It's well made. It's an in-house developed transmission by Honda. It's used in a lot of the Honda and Acuras. It's really good. I think that little, if you hear some little rattle noise, I think it's from the rear seat belt, which is not latched all the way to the roof. The acceleration's seamless in this. It's nice. It's quite responsive, gotta say. Nice. This is fun to drive for sure. Handling is pretty good as well. This is not a torque vectoring all-wheel drive system like in an Acura with super handling all-wheel drive, which is regular all-wheel drive, but yeah. And I've heard these do pretty decent when you try taking them off-roading and stuff. It won't be like a Sequoia, like a Tundra TRD or Sequoia TRD Pro, but it does pretty good. I would like to drive this on like a gravel road or in the mud. That would probably be pretty fun. I definitely like the look of the beefy tires on this vehicle. And there's a lot of storage in here, and also it's just really practical. You have a lot of room. I love how spacious it feels. And I like the giant center console, plus you get all these little storage cubbies, which is cool. Very cool, actually. And park. The screen is pretty simple to use. You also have cabin talk. You have a panoramic sunroof. Nice, spacious interior. This is definitely a nice car to transport your family in. And you know, if you want to take it on some trails, you could do that too with this TrailSport. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice vehicles like this Pilot TrailSport.